Hey there, welcome back. Today we have the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus, and in this video I'll guide you through how to share your Wi-Fi password from your device. Follow all the steps carefully to share the connection easily and securely. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and enable notifications. Now let's begin.